Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video we are gonna add in the missing styling classes that we talked about last time. This one is originally should be a larger text size, but it doesn't exist because of this. So first of all, we need to run npm install or install, depending on what dependency manager you use. The reason why we need to do this is actually just to install the different dependencies, then put all of the CSS code inside our CSS file here, and then we are gonna create a few custom styles. So we can already begin to create them while this runs. Then you can set this to a font size of LG, and then now to see actually what else we will have to work with, we need to go in here, we need to say hello world or something like that, depending on what you want. Then we have the huge here, and let's inspect this. So we also have huge. So we can put this to a font size of font size LG plus 4 pixels. Then we can have the other ones. Which are normal, then we have small. Okay, so let's see, curl size, small, font size, and now that we have installed it here, we just need to say npm one watch, and now this will just take a while to run. While this is running, I'm just gonna come back. Now it's run and there's an error, and this is because we need to remove the pixels because it's already added, and then we just say +4. So what now would happen is if we go in and test this by having a small, let's just take it to small, and then we have one that's called normal. We have one that's called large and huge. Let's submit this post. So what should happen now is we actually have all of them in here, and they all have a different kind of styling. So what we could do is, of course, because this is using RAM, we could just say +1, and this should be working a bit more convenient for the font size. So this is still running, but basically this should address the issue with this being way too big before. Now it's looking more convenient. So now we have actually done that part of the styling, so this will be added into here. If you again end up in a scenario where you find some styling that's not added or doesn't work, it's most likely because the CSS class doesn't, for some reason, isn't added, and then I would highly recommend you to just inspect the code and see what you can add there. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.